Hey guys, Statue here. Today we're doing a video called Pepsi Explosion with my brother Mr. Banana. Here we're going to put in 3 Mentos to a Pepsi bottle. Would you like to, Mr. Banana? You can call me Jack and you can call him Mr. Banana. Go! And
Filling up.
it's filling. Oh, it's going.
I think it's going up.
Then,
Apparently it falls.
oh my God! It just blasted all the way over there. Whoa, that is really sick. Yeah, if you really want to try this out, you gotta get some Mentos and a Pepsi bottle. 7-Up does work too. Anything that's fizzy. And put 3 Mentos in and boom, explodes. Thanks for watching, guys. And hope to subscribe for more videos in the future. See ya.